From Jasper to northern Alberta, the wildfire situation intensifying this week. The province's ministers and emergency management leaders saying over 17,000 people have been evacuated from wildfire-affected areas. That number doesn't include the thousands of tourists in Jasper.
10,000 is the number that we're tracking in Jasper, as I said. Exclusive of visitors, because we have no means of tracking them after the fact if they don't decide to come back. Little Red River Cree Nation, that one is roughly 7,000. And then we have Chippewa Prairie First Nation, so Janvier 194, that was also mentioned by Minister Ellis, that's just over 400. And we have the MD of Opportunity with Chippewa Lake, which is roughly 100.
As thousands forced to flee from the national park, confusion over messaging from Alberta's emergency alert system. An alert that went out to residents late Monday night, initially telling them the fire was 5 hours from hitting the town, later corrected to tell residents they had 5 hours to evacuate.
I saw the message and I was frightened and stressed, as Minister Ellis will attest to, and my chief of staff and my deputy minister and anyone I could reach at 11 o'clock at night to find out what was going on. I didn't want to go to sleep worried that Jasper might be hitting fire at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Alberta's public safety minister explaining to media in an update Tuesday morning the information in the first alert came from officials in Jasper, saying he and provincial officials will be investigating how that message went out.
Obviously, they would have made that decision, and the decision to use that messaging based upon the information that they had at the time. As new information came in, they corrected it, but that decision is made by the local municipality and the incident command team in the Jasper area.
Evacuees from Jasper have been told to head west into BC as fires are impacting highways west and south of the town. Officials with Parks Canada say they're working to evacuate those camping in the back country. A challenge for evacuees and emergency management officials. There's no more room in British Columbia for evacuees. They're being rerouted to Grande Prairie and Calgary.
They had no capacity to house Albertans, especially given the number in British Columbia. So that's why the decision was made there to route people back into Alberta.
Alberta's Minister of Forestry and Parks says they believe the fire near Jasper was caused by lightning strikes. Reporting from Edmonton, Darcy Ropchan, City News.